Sam and the tomato pasta. Sam was a little boy who didn't like tomatoes. He always pushed them to the side of his plate. His parents tried many ways to get him to eat tomatoes, but Sam just didn't want to. One sunny morning, Sam's neighbor, Mr. Brown, came by with a basket full of fresh tomatoes from his garden. He handed the basket to Sam's dad, who thanked him warmly. Mr. Brown smiled and waved goodbye. Sam's dad took him into the kitchen, where they looked at the bright red tomatoes. Sam was curious about what they would do with so many tomatoes. His dad had an idea to make a delicious tomato pasta. First, Sam's dad showed him how to wash the tomatoes under cool water. Sam enjoyed the splash of water and the smooth feel of the tomatoes. Then, his dad took a knife and carefully chopped the tomatoes into small pieces. Next, Sam's dad gathered other ingredients to make a tasty tomato sauce. He got some garlic, onions, olive oil, and fresh herbs. The kitchen started to fill with the wonderful smell of garlic and onions sizzling in the pan. Sam watched as his dad added the chopped tomatoes and herbs to the pan. The tomatoes simmered and bubbled, turning into a rich red sauce. Sam's dad then cooked some pasta and mixed it with the delicious tomato sauce. He served a plate of the pasta to Sam. The dish looked colorful and smelled very inviting. Sam took a bite, and to his surprise, the tomato sauce was sweet and savory. It tasted wonderful with the pasta. Sam smiled as he ate more of the dish. He realized that tomatoes could be very tasty when prepared in a delicious way. Sam never pushed tomatoes to the side of his plate again. He discovered that tomatoes were not only healthy, but also delicious. Sam and his family often made the tasty tomato sauce together, enjoying the fresh and flavorful meal.